This is the start of how it all ends. Pull the knives out my back for my own friends. I'm surrounded by light, and I have everything but nothing